Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we are gonna have we are going to do others problem solving for numerical ability. So this will be some basic civil service exam practice tests. So for those who wants to take the exam, this video is for you. So we have here the question. A shirt originally cost of 800 pesos is now on sale with a 25% discount. So what is the sale price? So, grabe. Common to sa atin specifically for those people who loves to go shopping, di ba? We are into discounts. Tinitingnan talaga natin yan. So we have here the choices. A, 575, B, 600, C, 625, and D, 675. So, paano nga ba natin kukunin ang discount sa isang presyo sa original price? So, first thing is we have to identify first our given. So, we have here the 800 as our shirt original price was. And then we have the discount, which is the 25%. So in my previous videos, I already done some video on how to solve problems with percentage. So first is to find the amount of the discount. Of course, since this is in a percentage form, we have to make it into decimal para mas madali siyang i-convert. I mean, i-solve. So we have here multiply the original price by 25%. So, paano natin siya kukunin? We have to put decimal point here on the right side of 5, and then we have to move 2 places from the left. 1, 2. So, dyan magsa-stop ang decimal point, and then you just have to add 0. So that is why we have here 0.25. So this will be our discount, no? Na convert into decimal point. So i-multiply lang natin. We have the original price, which is the 800 times the discount 0.25. And then we come up with 200. And then next step, we have subtract the discount from the original price. So what will be our original price? Of course, it's 800. And then subtract this one to the discount. So we have 200. So that will give us the answer of 600. So our final answer for this problem solving for numerical ability is 600. So that is letter B. O, di ba? Ang dali lang talaga. You just have to convert this one into decimal point and then follow the process kung paano papunta ka talaga sa tamang sagot. And that is 600. So that's it for today, everyone. Thank you so much for watching.